Good morning, y'all. It's November 8th. The Bucks are chasing. I done seen a doe. I can't tell what was behind her, but I got in here late. It's 7:05, and I just got set up. I know, slacking, but the deer are moving, so I'm ready. Got the old smoke stick out. See if I can let her rip. Y'all stay tuned. What's up, y'all? It's Wednesday, October the 8th. Welcome back, y'all. It's, Yellow Jacket. It's Wednesday, November 8th. It's 4:14. And the deer are chasing, and it should be about game time, so I'll pick y'all back up when the action starts. Love y'all. Good evening, YouTube. It's November 9th, 4:30 something. Can't remember the time, but yes, we're running a little late, but better late than never. It's the rut. Anything can happen. So let's get in here, not far from the stand. So let's see what happens, y'all. Pick y'all back up in a minute. We made it up in the stand, but no camera, so I'm hunting the ladder stand. But we're gonna make the best out of it. So, pick y'all back up when the action starts. It should be getting about time for the deer to start moving. So, we'll see what happens. Hopefully, skyscrapers show up. Or any of them, to be honest with you. So y'all stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's 3:50, November the 10th. And we're sitting in the climber today. We'll hopefully have some action before too long. So y'all stay tuned. It rained all morning, and I just got off work early. We're shutting down for inventory, so they let us go and we got finished. It's getting chilly, so maybe that has the deer on the feet. So y'all stay tuned. So we're gonna kill a big one. Stay tuned. Good morning, y'all. It's November 17th. It's 6:45, and it's just now getting daylight. So the deer should start moving. Hopefully one of my target bucks come walking in. So y'all stay tuned. Pick y'all back up when the action happens. Love y'all. Well, y'all, we had a good hunt this morning. We seen 3, that doe and 2 fawns, and I was gonna take the mama, but I couldn't get a good shot on her. But anyways, I'm glad that worked out like that. But it's the last day of muzzleloader season. Gun comes in tomorrow, and we're gonna go up to our new property. And I'm gonna post a video clip right here of muzzleloader season of the first day up there. I seen 4 deer, but I only got 1 on video. But it is what it is. Y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoy. God bless every one of y'all. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video.